GCP Applied Technologies has been around for many, many years. A lot of the buildings here that you see, a lot of the bridges, they wouldn't be here if it wasn't for GCP. They are providing all these solutions for not only for the commercial here in Boston, but all over the world. W.R. Grace was the company before the split. When they split into two separate entities, GCP Applied Technologies and Grace in Maryland and GCP here in Cambridge needed to have a single instance of SAP, a full-blown production site per company. So during the split, Advizex working with the HPE team, we had to develop a brand new solution for their SAP and Oracle environment.
It was a huge initiative because if you look at taking a public company and splitting it into two within a 12-month period, that in itself is a very challenging task. You had no room for error.
So we looked at ways of reducing their time to market by deploying and upgrading their existing systems under HPUX systems and just upgrading those systems to the faster processors, the latest and greatest technology for storage, replication. We were able to do that on time, under budget, and under 12 months, which really kind of solidified the relationship between Advizex, HPE, and GCP Applied Technologies.
Another thing that I really liked about Advizex, I really appreciated it, was they don't think at the current state. They always are a forward-thinking organization. You need to think 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 years in advance. And that was one of the value propositions they brought to my attention as well.
After the company split, it allowed us to look at not only their applications, their complete solution from top to bottom. It allowed us to make recommendations on their network, on their applications, the cloud. Everybody talks about the cloud. What does it mean? How can we help leverage the cloud?
They brought some real strong foundational experts that really came in and did a health check. And ultimately what that did, it ensured the stability of the systems that allowed us to run the application over probably about a 2-year or 3-year period without having any type of production issues at all.
I really try to listen to what the CIO is telling me what their issue is, where's their pain points, what is their long-term strategy, really defining what that is. And at that point, bringing in our technologists to really understand what their long-term goal is and really making sure that we provide our solutions that are going to meet those requirements and those needs for the customer.
They listened to me, they heard what I needed, and they provided me the resources shortly thereafter on the particular areas that I was researching, investigating, or some of the challenges that I was facing at the particular time. What I really appreciate about Advizex and HPE is when they bring their subject matter experts in, you establish a relationship, they become a part of your organization. They're in for the long-term relationship. They're not looking for the quick sale. They understand too, if you're successful, they're going to be successful. So they endure the relationships, and because of that, they become a strategic partner. And there's very few partners that I would label as strategic, and they've earned that.